Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how I'm decorating my table for Christmas. The first thing I'm doing here is placing the runner. Oh, I found this runner, I believe in TJ Maxx. Yes. Now I placed the centerpiece and I'm going to add on both sides these cute trees that I purchased at Five Below and keeping the same concept as the runner. Now I'm adding these candle holders. As you can see, they're clear and on purpose so I can still see the runner through them. Now let me show you how I'm going to fold the napkin. You need a square napkin. First, you have to fold it in half, making a rectangular shape. Then you fold it again. Now you have a square. Turn it around, leaving the openings on the bottom, right here. And then fold the first layer this way, but not all the way to the top. Leave a space here on both sides. And you're going to repeat that with the other layers. You're going to bring them up, folding them, but not all the way up. You're just going to line them up this way. Now you flip them. Now using the center line as your guide, fold them this way, like this, on one side and then the other side. Now fold the top this way. I'm going to just put them underneath here to secure it, and then I'm going to flip it, and then I'm going to fold this part all the way to the top, and I'm going to fold this, and I'm going to just put it underneath. Like this. And for my plate setting, I'm going to use a charger, the big plate and the small plate on the top, and the napkin. Isn't this cute? I'm going to do the same for all 6 seating, okay? Now, very important, iron your napkins. No wrinkles, please. You're gonna see the difference. I think what I love the most is the color scheme. I believe it looks beautiful with this table. If you haven't seen my video tutorial on how I transform this table, I am going to add the link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Until next time, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.